The discussion section in a research paper is an important part that provides an in-depth analysis and interpretation of the study's findings. This segment allows the researcher to 1. Summarize the main findings. Here, the researcher rephrases the key findings and underlines their significance. The results are presented in a transparent and succinct manner which addresses the research question or hypothesis. 2. Compare the findings to existing literature. This portion allows the researcher to relate the study's outcomes to previously conducted research. By analyzing the findings alongside relevant studies, similarities, differences, or inconsistencies can be identified, thus adding to the existing body of knowledge. 3. Interpret the results. In this part, the researcher delves into the meaning and implications of the findings. Analyzing the patterns, trends, and relationships within the data can provide explanations and suggest causal relationships between variables. 4. Discuss limitations and potential biases. Acknowledging the study's limitations is vital. Any potential biases, shortcomings in methodology, or constraints that may have affected the results should be discussed. This shows a considerate and critical approach to the research process. 5. Propose recommendations for further research. The discussion segment usually concludes with suggestions for future studies. By pinpointing gaps in knowledge or areas needing further exploration, the researcher can guide future researchers who may want to extend their work. Key points to remember for the discussion section include 1. Sticking to the research question. The discussion should be aimed at resolving the research question and objectives. Distracting digressions should be avoided. 2. Objectivity. The researcher should present the findings and interpretations without bias. Maintaining objectivity helps validate and enhance the credibility of the research. 3. Linking to the literature. The discussion should establish a clear link between the study's outcomes and the existing literature, thereby positioning the research in the broader context of the field. 4. Providing evidence. The researcher should reinforce the interpretations and conclusions with evidence from the data. Specific examples, quotes, or statistics should be used to support the claims made in the discussion. In conclusion, the discussion section of a research paper is vital for interpreting the findings, comparing them to existing literature, reflecting on their implications, addressing limitations, and suggesting future research directions. It plays a crucial role in progressing knowledge within a specific field of study.